Hello, welcome guys, welcome back. So in the last video we have checked that we have created one Node.js server on the port of 3000 and you can run your application by their file name. That name is server.js. You can rename it app.js and index.js. So in this we will check or create one index.js file and we will render our HTML file. So first of all we will create one index.html. So you have to create one HTML in this head and render HTML. Sorry. And in this body you can write welcome or something like that, rendering the HTML using Node.js server on port 3000. So yes, you build that, and now go to on the server app.server.js file. You have to import new file, new module that's called fs. This is only used for read and write files. So as we already write here, but we will make comment this. You can make a comment on this and start writing on this. So fs dot, you can check here everything that module exists on fs. So what we have to use, first we have to read one file that is called index.js. We have to just like that read file, and first is their path index.html. After that, second parameter will be null. It should always be a null, not and after that you have to write a one callback in which it will work. First will be the error and second will be the data. So with that method you can write that. If we'll get error, you have to write a one if block for this one, and else. So it means whenever, what will be the errors if you are finding a file, if means file does not exist in your system or anything like that. So we will do response dot write head 404, that means not found, and we will write response dot write file not found, and else you have to send response dot write data, and in the last you have to just copy this thing and paste it here. You can remove it as well and you can save it. If you can check here, now we have to run server again, the same again which command we are using, that not server.js. So now if you can check on server, oh, it's reading the HTML file directly, but we need only render the HTML on the port of 3000. So there is a one mistake we are doing, that is a text plain. So what we will do here, HTML, and again you have to run server.js. See, render the HTML, and you can make the changes in this as well. You can make it as a bold and cut here, paste in this. If you can check, it will not work. See, rendering HTML, this is the head that will show on the heading part. Yeah, thank you guys, thanks for your watching, and we'll see you in the next lecture.